Number names 11 to 20. Let's practice to read the words using phonetic sounds. 11. E, le, v, n. 11. 12. Tw, l, v. 12. The sound of E after V is not very strong while reading. 13. T, E, N. 13. 14. T, E, N. 14. 15. T, E, N. 15. 16. E, N. 16. 17. N, T, E, N. 17. 18. Remember, GH is a silent blend, so read it as A, T, E, N. 18. 19. Remember, number 9 is read with the magic E rule, so we'll read this word like this: N, I, N, T, E, N. 19. 20. Tw, N, T. 20. Great job! Keep practicing. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel, cause learning never ends. Bye!